Are you tired of high inventory costs, inefficiencies, and compromising on quality? Discover the game-changing solution that can revolutionize your business, just-in-time inventory. Let's uncover the secrets to reducing waste, improving efficiency, and boosting your bottom line. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your business with just-in-time inventory. But before we dive into the groundbreaking benefits and strategies, I want to share a fascinating story of how a struggling company turned it around by implementing this game-changing approach. You won't believe the incredible transformation that took place. Case study: Harley-Davidson's just-in-time implementation. Amount of savings estimated at $21 million annually. Harley-Davidson, the iconic American motorcycle manufacturer, underwent a comprehensive transformation of its manufacturing process in the late 2000s. The company sought to streamline its supply chain, improve efficiency, and reduce costs by implementing the just-in-time methodology. This case study explores Harley-Davidson JIT implementation journey and highlights the significant savings achieved through this initiative. As a background, Harley-Davidson faced several challenges in the early 2000s, including intense competition, declining sales, and an inefficient manufacturing process. The company recognized the need to revamp its operations to remain competitive globally. In 2009, Harley-Davidson leadership team adopted JIT principles to optimize production and reduce costs. Implementation process. 1. Planning and analyzing. The company formed a dedicated team comprising supply chain managers, production staff, and external consultants to lead the JIT implementation. They conducted a detailed analysis of the existing manufacturer processes, identified bottlenecks, and evaluate areas for improvement. 2. Supplier collaboration. Harley-Davidson collaborated closely with the suppliers to align their production and delivery schedules with the JIT approach. This involved regular communication, sharing of production forecasts, and optimizing inventory levels through the supply chain. 3. Lean manufacturing. The company implemented lean manufacturing techniques to eliminate waste and increase efficiency. This involved reorganizing workstations, improving material flow, and implementing standardized work process to reduce lead times and improve productivity. 4. Continuous improvement. Harley-Davidson encouraged employee involvement and established a culture of continuous improvement. Cross-functional teams were formed to identify and implement further process enhancements, fostering a proactive, innovative environment within the organization. Results and savings. Harley-Davidson JIT implementation yielded significant benefits both operationally and financially. The company reported the following savings. 1. Inventory reduction. By implementing JIT, Harley-Davidson reduced its inventory carrying costs by an estimated $8 million annually. The company achieved this by streamlining its supply chain, reducing excess inventory levels, and improving inventory turnover rates. 2. Waste reduction. The lean manufacturing practices implemented as part of the JIT initiative reduced waste throughout the production process. This led to an estimated savings of $4 million annually by minimizing rework, scrap, and other non-value-added activities. 3. Transportation cost reduction. Optimizing production and aligning supplier schedules significantly helped Harley-Davidson reduce transportation costs. The company estimated annual savings of $5 million by minimizing expedited shipping and reducing unnecessary transportation movement. 4. Lead time reduction. JIT implementation enabled Harley-Davidson to shorten lead times in its production processes. This allowed the company to respond more effectively to customer demand and reduce the time between order placement and product delivery. Harley-Davidson is an awesome case study with JIT. Below in the show notes is a link to receive an outline of this case study. I am sure you're in one or two camps right now. First camp saying Harley-Davidson is a huge company with unlimited resources, or 2, I want to learn more about JIT. If you are part of the second group, let's move forward. If you find value in this video, smash the like button. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified when we drop a video on inventory management, policies and procedures, or planning. Later in the video, I will have another case study more recent. Now, let's get back to the video on JIT, just-in-time inventory. JIT inventory is a lean manufacturing strategy developed in Japan in the 1950s. One goal of JIT is eliminating waste. Waste is anything that does not add value to a product or service. It is a critical lean manufacturing principle. Most businesses can apply JIT. The goal of JIT inventory is to have the right amount of inventory at the right time. This means businesses should only order the inventory needed to meet demand. This can be a challenge, but it is essential to remember that JIT inventory is not about having no inventory. It is about having the right amount of inventory. There are many benefits to using JIT inventory. One of the most significant benefits is that it can help reduce cost. When businesses have less inventory, with JIT inventory. One of the biggest challenges is that it can take time to implement. JIT inventory requires a lot of planning and coordination, and changing how a business operates can be challenging. Another challenge of JIT inventory is that it can be difficult to meet demand. A business needs more inventory to be able to meet customer demand. This can lead to lost sales and unhappy customers. Overall, JIT inventory is a valuable tool that can help businesses to reduce cost, improve efficiency, and improve quality. However, it is essential to remember that JIT inventory is not a silver bullet. It requires careful planning and implementation, and it can take time to meet demand. Here are some of the key steps involved in implementing JIT inventory. 1. Identify your most important inventory items. Not all inventory items are created equal. Some items are more important than others and should be prioritized when implementing JIT inventory. 2. Develop a demand forecast. You need to understand your demand well to implement JIT inventory effectively. This means developing a forecast that accurately predicts how much inventory you will need. 3. Establish close relationships with your suppliers. JIT inventory relies on reliable suppliers delivering the right amount of inventory at the right time. It is essential to establish close relationships with your suppliers to work together to meet your needs. 4. Implement a pull system. A pull system is a critical component of JIT inventory. It means that you will only produce or order inventory when it is needed. This helps to ensure that you do not overproduce or overstock inventory. Monitor your inventory levels closely. It is crucial to monitor your inventory levels closely so that you can identify any potential problems early on. This will help you avoid stockouts and ensure you are always meeting demand. JIT inventory is a complex process, but it can be a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their operations. By following these steps outlined above, you can implement JIT inventory successfully and reap the many benefits that it has to offer. If you want to learn more about JIT inventory, please contact us today. Okay, so we're looking at how JIT can help your business. Well, in this situation, it's in a grocery store. Now, pre-COVID-19, you would see whole product D. Now it's only showing about 2D, but you could probably get 5, maybe 6D. Of course, the facings are always going to be tight, but what you have behind the product, behind the facing, is not what you think. So you only go about 2 or 3D. Now, in this case, this grocery chain has 1,400 stores. If you save $10,000 of inventory per store, that's 14 million. Is that right? 1.4 million or 14 million. I believe that's $14 million that you saved in inventory. That's quite a bit. So that is the most current case study with grocery stores being able to cut back on their inventory. Think about it. What can you do to get better return on your assets, such as inventory? By now, you've witnessed the incredible impact of just-in-time inventory and how it can supercharge your business. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your operations and skyrocket your profits. Take action today and implement the proven strategies shared in this video. Say goodbye to excess inventory, waste, and inefficiencies. Embrace the power of just-in-time inventory and watch your business thrive. Remember, success favors those who adapt and innovate. Start your journey today. Hey, if you've stayed this long, I appreciate your attendance. If you've received value in this video, click the like button below and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day and be safe.